Hey, what's sparking? Happy 2026, everyone. We're at Animal Kingdom for our first visit of the year. Come on, let's go have some fun. Oh, hey there. Yes, Animal Kingdom today. Plan. Gonna ride Dinosaur. This may be someone's last chance to ride it. Not me, but someone. Someone over here. So first stop, I think, is going to be that. Well, first stop's going to be... Potty ride. Well, yeah, potty ride. Obviously, potty ride. Don't forget to use the potty ride. But, potty ride, Dinosaur, Zootopia. Someone loves Judy, so we got to go see Judy. Then, we'll see. Okay, warning. Dad joke incoming. I can't believe it's been an entire year since I've been in Disney. But, we're both in. Spinning ear. We're in. Potty ride, Dinosaur, fun. Okay, bye. We are in. The decorations are still around us, but the Merry Menagerie did end the last day of this year, so the 31st. So that's not going on. We do have the music. We still have some decorations. The tree is still up outside, but someone's gonna do some window shopping.
I will get these to the girls. If they ask,
They're getting bubble wands if they want them.
It plays the song too.
Yeah, I can't. Did you song?
Yeah. All right. Good to know. You'll wait till I come out with my kids and they want it. Right? Yeah.
I think I might be buying a new Loungefly here soon. Someone seems to like this. I don't know who. There's also pockets. Or you could just be a party animal. We are well within the final countdown for Dinosaur. It will close officially February 2nd, meaning the last day to ride is going to be February 1st. So less than a month, really. Check the app. It is sitting at a 5-minute wait. So gonna go do that first. Where Zootopia was at a 10-minute wait. If you remember last time we were here, it was, say, like over a 30-minute wait, and I waited barely 10 minutes for it. But either way, construction progress is definitely coming along. I'm still pretty sure where that location is. That is going to be the show building for the new ride. It is huge. It's menacing, but it's coming soon. Well, we got a year. So it's going to be really interesting to see what Animal Kingdom is like for the remainder of this year, really, until that opens. They have made some progress on what is going to be the carousel. I don't think they've really ever made any announcement yet. We got a year. I'm curious to see if they're going to open the land in phases. Like if the carousel's ready, are they going to open that up before everything else? We'll see. Time will tell. But right now, the future is in the past, so we're going to go ride Dinosaur.
It's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
You do.
But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. Okay. And how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this.
Like what?
If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
Is he, though?
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip.
Seems like it would have been easier to pick him up then.
Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See?
Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right! That was close! Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Oh,
Mission
made it.
accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? Oh, I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Oh, you're welcome. See you next time. Ketchup, mustard, and mayo. Still emotionally torn about the replacing of this ride because it's Indy. Indy's gonna be good. But then it's Dinosaur. I'm gonna miss dinosaurs. Anyways, off to the next one. Happy Zoogether Day, everybody. We don't actually have to enter in behind the popcorn stand this time. I'll call that a plus. I definitely enjoy the mental gymnastics they try to do by putting Flash as the lightning lane entrance and Clawhauser the cheetah as the standby entrance, you know. Make you think that you're going in the fast lane. But really, to show, there's barely any difference. We'll see if they've moved the merge point further in the queue than it was last time. But we're here. It says 10 minutes. I believe it. The merge point still seems to be back where it was. The scan-in area is still roped off. So I think they just are still funneling everyone like under the tree roots and down that way. The area that was blocked off under construction late last year is now opened up again, but it's not being used for queue at the moment because it's a walk-in show at the moment. So we're gonna go get our Carrot Vision glasses and go enjoy the show.
I can really feel that Zoogether Day energy on our live streaming. Please be aware,
Hey, look.
our celebrations today
It's a big
may
ball of
include
poop.
loud noises are fully open. Who's ready
So they're gonna say it's from soil from each biome, but if you know, it's a giant ball of poop.
Before we begin, a big Zoogether Day thank you to our event sponsors. Burger, they get a grasshopper meal today. Mr. Big's limo service, whether you're riding in the backseat or in the truck, we don't ask questions. And Wild Times Amusement Park, where families wear matching shirts. Thanks to the generous support of Hop's Family Farm, today's live watch party is presented in Carrot Vision 3D. Carrots, they're good for your eyes. Ask anybody.
One of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day V.I.Z. Yes.
Oh, goodness!
The slot.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Whatever it is. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Be responsible, that's totally standard, okay?
Oh, this one.
No, careful. That big one.
I'm really bad at this.
You don't miss me.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Good.
Wow! Hooray for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howard? Are you okay? Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all better together.
The Marsh is trying to sabotage Zoogether Day.
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
What? Nipples? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. See who did this? Seriously?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
In pursuit! Zootopia! Let's dance, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move, you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo! But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir!
What's in the wild animal kingdom?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief!
Hey! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale? Come join me, PIC! It's here you sing, Zootopia! For legal reasons, I cannot.
My dream, make a wish on a whisker as a team. Joining up as brother,
Sister, look upon mine.
here comes the tournament day.
Chills intertwine, we raise our hearts and hands and
Really?
on our train of thought. Toot toot!
They've seen a lot.
Right!
We love what we got, it's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Neighbor to neighbor. So raise your voices, come on and sing. Let's all unite for Zoogether Day.
We love you, Zootopia!
For your turn, and trot out the doors to your left.
Okay, so our resident Zootopia fan over here gives it 2 paws up. Said before, it's a harder fit for Animal Kingdom as a whole, but it's still a really cute show. If you like Zootopia, you're gonna love it. If you're a Disney fan, you'll get entertainment out of it. If you're Tom, you're never gonna watch it. But we're gonna move on. Flametree is smelling delicious right about now, so we're gonna go on the food ride. So let's go eat this. So went with the pulled pork mac and cheese, the plant-based burnt ends. Yes, I've had them before. They are actually very good. And a key lime pie pop. So yeah, we're gonna dig in. Flametree. I don't think it's necessarily a hidden gem, but like, not hidden. It's a gem. It's very good, very tasty, unique for theme park. I mean, it's a barbecue place. I don't think it's as good as the Regal Eagle Steakhouse or whatever over in Epcot, but we've never eaten there to compare, so might have to do that this year. Anyways, we're gonna dig in, enjoy, and go from there. Okay, bye. Oh, hi. Post end of vlog, John here. We decided to exit through the Rainforest Cafe, and it started to thunderstorm. I had PTSD when there was a thunderstorm, and then the lights flash, and then next thing you know, all of Disney broke. That was a fun day. We were here that day. Tom, you know what I'm talking about. This is cool. Thunderstorm. We're not eating though, so that's a plus. Again, nice little side entrance and exit out of the park. Not many people know that you can enter through the park this way. So just so you know, if you come here past 10, I believe, is when it unofficially opens. You walk all the way through and then past the splash zone. If you look on the My Disney Experience app, it does kind of show it as a little play area back here. It really isn't. So there are some cool waterfalls, a splash zone where you have they call it a giraffe, but it's an elephant, spitting some water over your head, and you got your entrance down there. But we're gonna shop through the non-Disney branded gift shop and then head on out of here. Okay, back to you, past John, for the outro. As we stumble upon a Pluto meet and greet spot, we sneak past here. But as we walk on out, we had a blast. Great little quick lunch break. I call it a lunch break. Over here to Animal Kingdom. First trip of the year. A lot more to come. So, yeah, thanks for coming along with us, and catch you all next time. Hey, and as always, folks, stay kind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to exit through the gift shop.